Okay, so I'm trying this sauce that everybody is raving about. And I'm going to put it on my salmon. I took a piece of my salmon from out of here and some of my rice and mashed potatoes. I covered my salmon with this sauce. So, I'll let you know. It looked yucky. I'm going to see if it tastes yummy. I don't usually like to use the microwave. It's going to get used today. Okay, well, damn. Push the button. Okay, cut on. The fuck? Told you I don't usually use no damn microwave. So I don't know how to use it. It look greasy as fuck. Oh, that look like damn grease. And we gonna try this shit. Okay. So damn, where's my salmon? I guess I mushed my salmon up with my rice. Okay, well, let's see. Okay. It's good. Yeah.